Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start an online store for food and beverage products. The food and beverage industry is a competitive market, but by leveraging the power of e-commerce, you can reach a wider audience and grow your business. In this video, we'll show you how to start an online store for food and beverage products. The first step in starting an online store for food and beverage products is to define your niche. What type of products will you sell? Will you focus on organic, vegan, or gluten-free products? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Once you've defined your niche, research your market. Who are your customers? What are their needs and preferences? What are your competitors doing? Use this information to develop a unique value proposition and differentiate yourself from the competition. Next, choose your e-commerce platform. There are many platforms you can use to start your online store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Choose a platform that aligns with your goals and budget and offers the features you need to sell food and beverage products. To start selling food and beverage products online, you'll need to source your products. Look for high-quality suppliers that offer the products you want to sell. Make sure they meet industry standards and regulations for food safety and quality. Once you've sourced your products, it's time to create a website for your online store. Make sure your website is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. Use high-quality images, engaging content, and clear calls to action to attract and convert visitors. To make it easy for customers to receive their orders, offer shipping and delivery options. Use a reliable shipping service and make sure your delivery process is easy to use and efficient. In summary, these are the necessary steps to start an online store for food and beverage products. Remember, the key to success in this industry is to provide high-quality products, excellent customer service, and a seamless online shopping experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on digital marketing and online business management.